you allow. Fan, ox fan is expensive that we need to sell 24,800. Atiku is selling for 24,000. So who will not pay the remaining 800? You will have to go back to the village. I don't know, but madman.
Daddy, we are here. I've been searching for you, Daddy. Daddy, guess what?
I don't have money to give to you.
Everything is not about money.
Has there been any time that we have had discussion in this place that doesn't involve money?
And this one is not about money. Daddy, it's coming today.
When I come?
The guy I told you about that wants to marry me now. He wants to come and see you, so he'll marry me.
Oh, it's coming today. Yeah. All those people that used to bring here that don't understand. They say they want to marry you.
Daddy, don't worry. This one I have sense. I think that this guy is almost here.
Hey, Ovumoto.
This is a very good man. You will love him, I promise you.
Yeah, bye.
Daddy is here.
Hey,
that's him.
What, Daddy? Oh, you're the one that came with that car. Stop reaching out for them. Hey, how are you? You're welcome. Hey, sit down. Yes. How are you? You're welcome. Sit down. You know, I used to tell myself, even if you have money, that'll be fine. You understand? Fine. At least be fine some more. Oh, the daddy of the man. Very nice to meet you, Daddy.
Sir, it's not we, sir. It's
Daddy, this is my fiancé.
Oh, he's financing the wedding. Wow, nice one.
Daddy, no, this is the man that wants to marry me.
I don't understand.
That is my baby. Baby, my daddy.
Wow.
Listen now, he's a very young boy.
I is a young guy. Yeah, look at this baby. How is he young? I was thinking this is the baby.
No, this is your baby, sir.
Okay, the thing is this. I'm here to marry her.
Oh, you are the baby?
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
The baby. So you are wearing pampers now.
I'm
You want to marry you, Maria? Look at me. You understand? This girl, I trained her in school. She's a full-blown girl. Look at him. Look at his baby. Very old.
He's fine now. He's a very young man.
Very young man. You're young man to what? You're old man. I was about to give my girl to a very young man, not an old man. I just seen a young boy. This old man. Do you know why I am in this community? This is the state of a balablu. Blue. This is blah blah now.
Daddy, me, I love him more. I love him more.
You love him, loving her. Leave man. Very old man.
baby. It's like you didn't tell your father about the 20 million that I want to draw. It's okay if he's not interested. I'll take my leave.
Baby.
Hey, hello. Young man. Come on, sit down now. Hey, young man. Come on, sit down. Hey, young man, sit down. Very, you know, I don't know him. I'm like, he's a very young man. What I was looking at him, he's a young man. I like he was very energetic even when he was 3 years. Hey! When he stood up like this, I just knew he's a young man.
Papa.
You know one thing about me, I always like to look at those men. Let me see how young he can be. That was how I was talking to this man. And I see this man is very, very young. Yeah. He's young and listening. Go and hear your husband. Near him. Take a chance.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes. You know, the Bible says that a man will leave his mother and his father with his wife. That's what. That's money. Yeah, let me give me my account number.
No problem about that. My PA will do the transfer.
Hey, wait. Is your PA?
Yeah, it's my PA.
Oh, what a PA. He's a very old PA. You young men like using old people as a PA. Hello.
This 20 million is just chicken change. Don't worry, I'll take care of your daughter.
Hey, wait.
I'm
seeing it. You're taking. Yeah, well. Very well.
Center.
Hey, wait. Okay. You okay? You're a young man. You know what? Young man. I have 2 more daughters. So I'm listening if I will bring those 2 daughters. One of them I'll just use and give you Bojara.
No, Daddy, me, I'm not sure.
You look quiet there. Do you think I have this young man only? Very young.
Objection, sir. I am a single guy, sir.
We are an old PA. We look quiet there.
Opa, ìwọ ló gbọ́njú.